Looking for small bathroom storage ideas? We get that in small bathrooms, effective storage is one of the hardest things to squeeze in. And there are plenty of storage options out there designed for small bathrooms, but because I really like the products from Ikea, then this time I will share 17 storage ideas for small bathrooms from Ikea. Enjoy! 1. Lillengen High Cabinet with Mirror Door. This cabinet is very perfect where space is limited since the cabinet is shallow. The mirror comes with safety film on the back, which reduces the risk of injury if the glass is broken. Handle and hinges included. 2. Lillengen Mirror Cabinet 2 Doors. This mirror comes with safety film on the back, which reduces the risk of injury if the glass is broken. The open shelves are perfect for perfume bottles or other things that you use frequently. Perfect where space is limited since the cabinet is shallow. 3. Ragroon's Towel Rack Chair. This helps to save space because you get both a chair and a towel rack on the same area. This towel rack cherie is definitely perfect for small bathroom. 4. Hemney's Wall Shelf. Perfect in a small bathroom since the wall shelf is shallow. The open shelves give an easy overview and are perfect for perfume bottles or other things that you use frequently. This furniture must be fixed to the wall with the enclosed wall fastener. 5. Hornivan Trolley. Molded from high-grade material to avoid chipping even through prolonged usage. Perfect for small bathroom or kitchen storage, and this trolley is new product in 2020 from Ikea. 6. Grun's Towel Trolley. This Grun Towel Trollet is easy to move, casters included, removable shelves and easy to clean. You can combine this trolley with other products in the Grun Towel series. 7. Silveran High Cabinet with 2 Doors. You can move the shelf and adjust the spacing according to your personal needs, and you can mount the door to open from the right or left. This Silveran High Cabinet is perfect for a small bathroom. 8. Hemney Storage Bench with Towel Rail. There's plenty of room inside the bench to store and organize your towels and other bathroom things. This storage bench also works as an extra seat or to put things on. Comes with towel rail and knobs. Perfect for towels or other things that you want to have within easy reach. 9. Veskin Shelf Unit. It fits in the smallest of bathrooms, but there's plenty of space on these shelves for all your toiletries from shampoo bottles to soap and small items. Everything stays in place, from your shampoo and conditioner to sponges, as the shelf has high edges on all sides. 10. Vilto Shelving Unit. The open shelves give an easy overview and are perfect for perfume bottles or other things that you use frequently. Adjustable plastic feet give stability and protect against moisture from the floor. Perfect in a small bathroom. 11. Dine-In Shelving Unit with 2 cabinets. Tight corners and cramped spaces. Almost anything is possible with Modular Dine-In series. You can build your storage vertically or horizontally and add on extra shelves to make the most of your space. 12. Algot Wall Upright Drying Rack. A versatile system for the pantry, laundry room, or wherever it's needed. Just click the brackets onto the wall uprights to add a shelf or accessory. It's easy to add or remove parts as your needs change. 13. Dragon 4-Piece Bathroom Set. The natural bamboo wood creates a warm and calm feeling, turning any cold, sterile bathroom into a space where you want to stay. The boxes are light and easy to move around to wherever you need them. 14. Dine-In Cabinet with Door. Tight corners and cramped spaces. Almost anything is possible with Modular Dine-In series. You can build your storage vertically or horizontally and add on extra shelves to make the most of your space. 15. Vilto Storage Stool. 2 functions in one, storage and stool. Easy to keep clean as the fabric can be removed and washed. Very perfect in a small bathroom. 16. Tiskin Corner Shelf Unit with Suction Cup. Tiskin series puts things within easy reach without having to drill any holes into your walls. The tight-grip suction cups won't let go of smooth surfaces like glass or tiles unless you want them to. 17. A Newton hanger for door. All the must-haves to make every visit to the bathroom more functional and convenient. A Newton creates a bright, fresh look and helps to keep everything nice and tidy.